Hello and welcome. If you ask anyone on the street what are the glowing objects in space, the common answers will likely be the sun, stars, or even the moon. But do you think anyone would answer Earth? Can the Earth glow in any way? Surprisingly, the answer is yes. In 2009, a group of researchers were working on a project studying the spectral signature of carbon dioxide emissions from Earth. They launched a satellite to measure the spectral signature of emissions from Earth, especially carbon dioxide. For those who don't know, the spectral signature is the way to identify the source of any radiation. Every material around us reflects incoming radiation in a certain way or at a specific wavelength. This wavelength varies from one material to another, making the spectral signature unique like a fingerprint. To their surprise, the Earth appeared with a strange red glow emanating in all directions, which puzzled them. Some researchers suggested it might be due to carbon dioxide emissions, but this was not the case. Other researchers hypothesized that the emissions were caused by sunlight effects on the Earth's surface. Again, this was ruled out as the wavelength of the emissions did not match known wavelengths from the sun. Another group thought the emissions could be from human activities like industrial cities or power plants, but this was also incorrect. The emissions came mainly from uninhabited areas, primarily forests and dangerous spaces. The only common factor among these areas was the presence of plants. Researchers discovered that plants, whether terrestrial or aquatic, were emitting the red light. They found that during photosynthesis, chlorophyll pigments absorb light and get excited. These electrons need to return to their stable state by losing energy, which they release as red photons. Thus, plants literally glow. This process is known as chlorophyll fluorescence. Although the amount of light emitted is about 1% of the absorbed light, it becomes significant when considering the entire Earth's vegetation. The red glow can be seen by ordinary people, not just researchers with special equipment, starting in 2025 when the Flex satellite will be launched. This satellite will allow everyone to observe the beautiful glow. The discovery is beneficial as the red light significantly impacts plant growth and productivity. Agricultural specialists are covering greenhouses with layers that absorb different wavelengths and re-emit them as red light, enhancing plant growth and yield by 30%. This discovery could be key to solving the global food crisis. Additionally, by analyzing the red glow, we can gather valuable information about plant health and potential crop yield. Healthy plants emit strong and consistent glow, allowing institutions to monitor plant health remotely. Interestingly, this entire discovery happened by chance, making the red glow phenomenon one of the most significant accidental discoveries. That's it for today. Who made it to the end? You guys are the best. Give us a like before you go so we know how many reached the end. If you have episode suggestions, write them in the comments. Most episodes we create now are from your suggestions. Goodbye.